Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I was just on a live for Friends Day on a Wednesday. Even though Mrs. Gigi's not around, I'm still going to do it just to keep it going until she comes back in a few weeks. And we did our prompt game for Friends Day on a Wednesday. And for prompt 1, we had postage stamp, image, or image. You can do either or. You can do the postage stamp, or you can do the image, or you can do both. It doesn't really matter. Okay. We also had use fingers to paint, our favorite color, felt or mesh, flowers or leaves, animal or nature, watercolor or measuring tape, rainbow or moon. And here's how mine came out. That's for round 1. Okay. Round 2, we had eyes or apples, gesso or grunge, something blue or yellow, triangle or fringe, green or violet, glitter or sequin, heart or keys. And here's how mine came out for round 2. Okay. I want to thank you all for watching. Thank you all for your support. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, please do hit that big red subscribe button in the face. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, I do a live or do a premiere. Please be crafty, be safe, be kind, be loving, be caring, be blessed. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.